Yeah, maybe straps that go all the way around the whole boat would be fine, but ours might blow off.
I don't know about that bucket just chilling there.
Probably quite a bit of weight on that bucket.
What's going on? How you guys doing? We're getting ready to just do us a little bit of a boat prep here before Hurricane Milton comes. So this is what we've got.
You brought extra chocks?
Yeah, we got the chocks. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and remove this boat, our boat cover. Because where they're talking 90, 100 mile per hour winds, I don't want it to get ripped off or damaged, so we're just going to bring it with us. One of the cool things here is there's an oak tree back there, but all this is mostly cypress trees, so we're kind of in the clear, so we shouldn't have any major issues. Today is Tuesday. I'm not sure what time it is. What time is it? Tuesday 1:57. 1:57. As you guys know, we live in the Tampa Bay area, and we have a hurricane on its way. This is our first time, as far as boat owners, owning a boat during like a major hurricane. We had some smaller ones, but this off. We'll take you. Take those guys. My towel there? Yeah.
Yep, it's wet.
It's wet. Yeah, take those things off. Yeah, so we're going to remove our little covers here. Yeah, take that. We're going to take off everything. So we've got our covers for our radio and the Garmin. Those things blow off when we're just underway, so we're just going to take as much as we can.
You want me to stow it under here?
Yeah, just stow it under there. I don't think that thing's going to rip open and stuff. Yeah, that should be good there.
Why do we have piranhas?
Just in case we got sore or cut while we're out there and stepping into stuff. So now, yeah, that's it. Yeah, we could do that. Should be. They'll probably get wet. Let's bring it with us. How's that? Just in case. We'll bring it with us.
These are aluminum. They can get wet.
All right, they can get wet. All right, we'll bring the cover with us. So aluminum. These guys can stay. All right. So we're gonna stick these in the hole here. That's good. Well, that's our stuff. And then I got my extra bungees.
Oh, do you want me to put bungees on that?
On that right there.
Yes?
Yeah. So what we're gonna do is Kim's gonna put some extra bungees on there just because I don't want the boot to get ripped off. Yeah, and then maybe a center one or something maybe. I'm not sure.
Oh, okay.
Good? Yeah. All right. right, so now all that's that. We've got the boat plug is out, so no problem there. Our bilge pump will go on if we get a whole bunch of rain in here. The cooler's out of here. Got that retention pond over there. Hopefully he knows what to do. All right, cool. So let's see, we got this, then we get those chocks, and then there's another. I got another cinder block which I'll put out there too. Okay. I think that's it. I don't think we need to. Oh, let's see what we got. Oh. Where those chocks at, do you know?
Yeah.
Oh, there they are. Cool. There, I think that'll work. I'm just kind of spacing them out. I'm not sure how they best work, and I got an extra cinder block here.
Yes, that feels right.
Like that. That's what they're doing over there. Kind of like, he's got his in front. So let's see. Actually, he's got one in the back. Put it in front here. That way it can't go forward. Something like that.
I mean, we have more cinder blocks if you want to come back up.
Nah, that should be good. I'm just looking to see what he's. Is this way? It can't move forward.
One in the back, right?
Yeah, I got the chocks. I got the cinder blocks. So I mean, I think that looks good. All right.
We're not under that big ash tree over there, so.
Yeah, I wouldn't be on that guy because that's the guy that's gonna fall over.
I think we're good.
So. All right, I think we're good. Yeah, I think we're good. Let me know in the comments if there's anything else you guys would have done differently. But we strapped that down. We got the cover with us. Took the stuff out of the boat. You know, we just got this. I don't think it's going to be moving. We are in elevation D. This over here, we're up on 301 in Riverview. Elevation D, so we should be all right. Yeah. Cool. All right, you guys stay safe, and we'll update you as we can. But right now, we're just gonna go home and chill. We stocked up on our hurricane prep kit, wine, champagne, rum. We got it all done. So we're all checked up. So we're just gonna hunker down. I hate that word, that terminology, hunker down. But we're just gonna stay here, and we're gonna ride this thing out. So we've done this a few times before. So talk to you guys in a few.